So for slide technique, you're going to start by raising the entire leg from the hip flexor. Then with the foot raised, you're simply going to flick the toe for the first stroke. Then you just drop the whole leg while lifting the toe to get the second stroke. So it's a flick and a drop. Once you start to play with this and develop speed, a sliding motion starts to develop, where the foot comes back on the footboard for the first stroke and then slides up the pedal for the second stroke. This sliding motion is important both for achieving faster tempos and equal volumes between the first and second notes of the stroke. To really accentuate the first note of the stroke, you're going to want to consciously come back on the pedal board with the foot. So you lift the leg, slide back, flick the foot from there, and then when you drop, you slide forward on the pedal while lifting the toe. And then you can speed that up. The motion will look different at different tempos. Slower tempos will generally have less sliding motion, faster tempos will generally have more sliding motion.